Hey guys, this is Damien Fritz from Achievement House, but sorry for the afro, but anyway, I'm gonna read my commercial that I did. Here's part 1. To my audience that is listening, I want all of you to fight with me so that everyone is free. Next, it would be right for someone to tell you that you're not free. I don't think so. This is why we need to fight for everyone's freedom, and I want you to help me. It is a proven fact that back in the day, all black people were slaves. Is that right? No, it's not, because God made all of us. No matter what race you are, we all believe in a God. My personal experience was that when I was younger, I am 16 now, but I was walking by and a white man came out and said, "Get off my property, nigger." That is not right, because everyone is the same no matter what color we are. Okay, this is part 2. I felt abandoned that day when that guy called me a nigger, like I said in part 1. I felt that he was very disrespectful and ignorant. When I told my friend about this, he was very open and heavenly about it. That guy was very damaged inside because how he was raised, so I actually feel bad for him and I pray for him. Next, this is why I want people to fight with me and fight for freedom. Also, would you call a black/white person, which is me, nigger, just because I walked on sidewalk next to his house and I'm just a kid still? There's slavery still going on in some countries. I know it would be hard, but we have to try and end slavery, especially because would you want your kid to be called nigger or cracker or spick, etc.? Therefore, we need to fight for our families and our community so our children don't end up like the rest of the ignorant people that are out there. Okay guys, that was my recording of my commercial, but I'm out. Peace. Doses.